All right, here we have this awesome product right here. So this is like the ultimate roadside tool for you. So it is a jump starter, air compressor, power bank, and flashlight. So really the best tool to have in your car. So you see it's going to come in this really nice carry case, so it stays nice and protected. It doesn't get lost and dispersed throughout your car like things tend to happen to. So yeah, so let me crack it open here and I'll show you everything that it comes with. So here's the actual unit itself. So you can see right here how just nice and sleek that looks. So you see that look right there. So right here on the top of the unit is where you have your flashlight. So let me turn it on here and I'll show you that light, just how bright that light is. Of course, you got your straight on mode, you got your flashing mode, a couple different flashing modes there, just to kind of show everything that it has. And then right here on the front, you have your different settings. So the power bank is a 60 watt right here on the side. So you have your USB-C and USB options right there. And then as far as the air compressor function goes, so if you hit the mode button right here, this will cycle through the different options. So this measures in PSI. So for like a bicycle, a basketball, or a different ball, just straight PSI. Yeah, so different options there, all really nice and handy. And you can adjust the PSI that you want to adjust it to. Okay, right here on the side, you have your inlet for your air compressor hose. So you can screw it into there. So yeah, so it's everything you need all lined up there like that. So if you need to jump start your car, right here on the side, you have your connection for that. And I'll show you how all that works right now. All right, so here are the cables that it comes with. So it just connects all like this, nice and easy. Starts flashing green, letting you know it's receiving power. And then you have your positive and neutral jumper cables right here, ready to work. So that's a really nice feature right there. Now let me show you the air compressor materials that it has. All right, so it also comes with the charging cable right here, just USB-C to get it charged up. So here is the air compressor cable. So it's right here on the side. It just screws in, just standard like that, until it's nice and snug in there. And then this valve right here just goes over your tire. Again, I already showed you how you program all that. So let's head out to the garage and we'll test out in our car. And you can see just how good this works in function. All right, so we got this air compressor all hooked up to the tires here. So we turn it on and we're just gonna hit the mode button for our car right here. And we'll just pre-program what we want this to turn on to. So right now it's at 32.5. We'll probably get it just up to 33. So we program it there for 33. We hit the power button. Notice once it hits that 33, it automatically shuts off there. You just disconnect it from the tire and you're good to go. So now let's test out the jumper cable function. All right, here we are with the jumper cable setup right here. So we'll just plug in the cables here into the side of our unit. Just crack that open right here. And the cables just get plugged in right here. You got that light turning on. So then you'll just expose the positive side of our unit here, and the negative side. Just gonna go into some bare metal that we have. Right there like that. And you turn it on. And there you go. So now you're ready to jump start the car. So just go in there and fire it up and you should be up and running. That easy to use. So this thing's super awesome, really easy to use. It's a great value, so a great item to have in the car for emergencies. It's gonna work clear down to like -4 degrees and up. So it's gonna be a great product for a lot of scenarios out there. Yeah, highly recommended.